If you're hiring a Bali notary for power of attorney without knowing the real cost, you'll overpay by 30 million rupiah, and here's exactly what to budget in 2026. Here's the problem. Most quotes hide the apostille and legalization fees. Standard notary power of attorney in Bali costs 8 to 12 million rupiah for the document itself. Add 3 to 5 million rupiah if you need Ministry of Law apostille and embassy legalization. You're buying property in Bali but you can't be there for the signing. You need a notarized power of attorney so your representative can close the deal. Without one, the land office rejects the transfer and you lose your 50 million rupiah deposit. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle notary documents for foreigners who can't navigate Indonesian legal fees. The problem is that most notaries quote you the base fee, then surprise you with translation, apostille, and legalization charges that double the bill. Most people fail here. They call a notary in Seminyak, get a quote for the power of attorney document, and assume that's the total cost. Then the notary hands them a separate invoice for translation into English, another for legalization at the Ministry of Law in Jakarta, and another for courier to the embassy. You end up paying 15 to 20 million rupiah when you budgeted 8 million. Do not do this. Get an all-in quote in writing before you sign anything. Step 1 is to confirm the document type. A general power of attorney for property costs 8 to 12 million rupiah at most Bali notaries. A limited power of attorney for a single transaction costs 5 to 8 million rupiah. TheBaliLawyer charges a flat 10 million rupiah for the notarized power of attorney with bilingual drafting, no surprise fees, and the team handles the Ministry of Law apostille in Jakarta within 5 business days. Step 2 is apostille and legalization. This is important. If you're using the power of attorney outside Indonesia, you need a Ministry of Law apostille stamp, which costs 3 to 5 million rupiah including courier to Jakarta and back. Most Bali notaries outsource this to a Jakarta agent and charge you double. TheBaliLawyer includes apostille coordination in the flat fee, so you know the final number before you start. Here's the problem. Path A is calling 3 notaries, getting 3 different quotes, then discovering hidden translation and legalization fees that push the total to 18 million rupiah over 3 weeks. Path B is booking TheBaliLawyer for 10 million rupiah all in, bilingual drafting, apostille handled, and the signed document in your hands in 7 business days with 0 surprise invoices. When you contact the notary, use this exact script to avoid hidden fees. Say this word for word. I need a notarized power of attorney for property in Bali. Please confirm your total fee including drafting in English and Indonesian, notarization, apostille at the Ministry of Law, and courier to my address. I need one fixed price, not a base fee plus add-ons. If they can't give you one number, walk away. Or skip the negotiation entirely and let TheBaliLawyer handle it. The team drafts the power of attorney in bilingual format, gets it notarized by a licensed Indonesian notary, coordinates the Ministry of Law apostille in Jakarta, and couriers the final stamped document to you anywhere in Bali or overseas. Flat 10 million rupiah, 7 business days, no upsells. I need a notarized power of attorney for property in Bali. Please confirm your total fee including drafting in English and Indonesian, notarization, apostille at the Ministry of Law, and courier to my address. I need one fixed price, not a base fee plus add-ons. Bali notary power of attorney costs 8 to 12 million base. Add 3 to 5 million for apostille and legalization fees. TheBaliLawyer does it all for 10 million, 7 days, 0 surprises. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for power of attorney setup in Bali. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.